Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I'd take a quick technical analysis look on gold, see where it's been moving the past sort of couple of weeks or months, and really try and establish where the next big move is going to come from. So as we can see here on the daily chart, pretty much for the past year, we've been in a very much a downward trend. And we see from the real highs of last year, it's sort of $2,060 all the way down to the recent lows of 1676. Now, in that last 2 month period, we can now see that we've got almost a double bottom forming and a reversal pattern where it broke through that previous high. And if we look at the past 2 months a bit closer on the chart on the daily, we can now see we're getting higher highs and higher lows to confirm we're actually now into a new uptrend. And also for me, that's confirmed also on the RSI, where we've now got the values above the 50 and it's not broken down, so therefore momentum is with the longs and the buyers. Now, technically interesting is we're now really bouncing on this 200-day moving average, and that could be forming a little bit of resistance there, as well as the big round number at the $1,800 mark. So it's not broken through that, and we've had 1, 2, 3 touches recently, so therefore we've got a bit of resistance forming. So if we move down to the hourly chart, which is where I'll get my main direction for intraday trades from, we can see that it's getting a bit more sideways, a bit more confused with that level of the $1,800 mark really starting to prove a bit of resistance, and it's been rejected many times. So I'm a bit undecided what I want to do on this particular day. Now, yesterday was quite a big buying day for gold. I think that's because the UK was in a bank holiday, and therefore there's a lot of transactions done through the UK markets, and obviously with them being offline, volumes were a lot lower, and therefore the price rocketed up. And we've seen in the Asia session overnight prices starting to fall off as sellers came into the market for whatever reason. So key levels for me today I'll be really looking at is really trying to break this downward pattern. If we draw a quick sort of sloping trend line here, we can now see we're starting to form some form of flag or pennant shape. Now price has broken down to that one, looking more short, but as we've always seen previously, is end of Asia session, start of the UK session, things can be a little bit more volatile, especially if the US starts to come in this afternoon. So for me, the key level I'll be looking at today is breaking this previous high of last week, and obviously breaking back above the moving averages and this sort of sloping trend line at 1790. So I'm going to watch this today and really look for a break above 1790 and see if it then comes back up to $1,800. At the moment, I'm not seeing any short setups, but that will change as the day goes on. If we're starting to break the lows of today's session, so that is at 1783, 1784, breaking those, we potentially could see sellers come back into the market and price push all the way back down to 1770. So lots of things to watch out for today on gold. Always interesting. It's my favorite one for trade at the moment. Lots of volume, lots of liquidity in the market, and very popular with traders. Hope you enjoyed this quick summary of what I'm looking at for gold today, and maybe they'll come off, maybe they won't. The main thing is manage your risk, protect your positions, and look for a profitable day. See you soon. Cheers.